हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ आर यू? आई होप कि आप लोग स्वस्थ होंगे और मस्त होंगे। Once again, welcome in RKG Biology tutorial. And in this lecture, we are going to discuss difference between rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. We will also discuss the various function performed by endoplasmic reticulum. Clear? See what are the difference between the rough and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum have ribosomes, means ribosomes attached on the endoplasmic reticulum. That's why they are the rough endoplasmic reticulum. And ribosomes attach on the endoplasmic reticulum with the help of a glycoprotein known as ribophorins. It means in the rough endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes present with the help of glycoprotein ribophorins. Clear? And in smooth endoplasmic reticulum, there is no ribosomes and there is no ribophorins. Clear? In rough endoplasmic reticulum, mainly cisternae participate in the formation. Clear? तो rough endoplasmic reticulum में mainly cisternae होता है. Clear? And in smooth endoplasmic reticulum, mainly the tubules are present. Clear? It means smooth endoplasmic reticulum is mainly made up of tubules and rough endoplasmic reticulum is mainly made up of cisternae. Clear? Next, close to nuclear membrane. That means rough endoplasmic reticulum nuclear membrane के close होता है. Clear? These are the cisternae, narrow tubular structure, that is the cisternae, and they produce from the bulge out from the nuclear membrane. So they present near the nuclear membrane. In case of smooth endoplasmic reticulum, they are present near the cell membrane or plasma membrane. Clear? See, these are the tubules, and the cisternae lose the ribosomes, become branched, and they attach on the cell membrane. That is the tubule. It means smooth endoplasmic reticulum present close to the plasma membrane or cell membrane. Next difference, as rough endoplasmic reticulum contain ribosomes, so they mainly involve in protein synthesis and its transportation. Clear? So rough endoplasmic reticulum involve in synthesis and transportation of protein. Clear? And smooth endoplasmic reticulum as don't have the ribosomes, so they mainly involve in lipid synthesis and its transportation. तो इस तरह से स्मूथ इंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम पर राइबोसोम नहीं होता है, इसलिए स्मूथ इंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम लिपिड के सिंथेसिस में और उसके ट्रांसपोर्टेशन में हेल्प करता है. क्लियर? एंड रफ इंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम having the ribosomes, so they mainly involve in protein synthesis and its transportation. Clear? Next difference, rough endoplasmic reticulum transport the nuclear material to the other parts of the cell like the organelle. जो rough endoplasmic reticulum है, that is mainly made up of the cisternae, they transport the nuclear material with the material present inside the nucleus to the other parts of the cell like the cell organelles, cell membrane. Clear? So rough endoplasmic reticulum transport the nuclear material to other parts of the cell, that is the cell organelle and cell membrane. Here, smooth endoplasmic reticulum forms desmotubules. Clear? Desmotubules are the thin, that is the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and they run through the plasmodesmata. Plasmodesmata, we know, it is the thin cytoplasmic connection through the pits, through the pores of the cell wall, which join the cytoplasm of one plant cell to the another plant cell. So through the plasmodesmata, desmotubules runs and connect the endoplasmic reticulum of one plant cell to the endoplasmic reticulum of another plant cell. Clear? So smooth endoplasmic reticulum forms desmotubules, and this desmotubule runs through the plasmodesmata. Clear? Next difference, smooth endoplasmic reticulum helps in removal of lactic acid. As we know, lactic acid produced in our muscle cells during the anaerobic respiration. So, removal of lactic acid also done by smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Next we see rough endoplasmic reticulum mainly involved in protein synthesis as they have the ribosomes. So, they mainly present in protein synthesizing cells like the beta cells of pancreas. Clear? And fibroblast cells, they produce two types of protein, that is the elastin and collagen. Clear? So, rough endoplasmic reticulum present in beta cells of pancreas and fibroblast. Here we see the example. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum mainly involved in lipid synthesis, cholesterol synthesis. So they mainly present in lipid synthesizing cells like the adipocyte cells. Adipocyte cells means fat storing cells. Clear? Fatty tissue में होता है. And liver cells, leading cells of testis. Leading cell of testis act as the uh, production of testosterone hormone. Clear? So testosterone is also the steroid. It means leading cells, liver cells, adipocyte cells, and follicular cells of the ovary. Clear? These are the main cells where smooth endoplasmic reticulum present. Next we see smooth endoplasmic reticulum. In case of muscle cells, endoplasmic reticulum known as the sarcoplasmic reticulum, and that sarcoplasmic reticulum is the स्मूथ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम. जो मसल सेल्स के अंदर एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम है, जिसको हम सार्कोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम बोलते हैं, वो एक्चुअली स्मूथ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम होता है. क्लियर? एंड दैट हेल्प्स इन कंडक्शन ऑफ मोटर इंपल्स इन द मसल सेल्स. तो जो स्मूथ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम है मसल सेल्स में, ये मोटर इंपल्स के कंडक्शन में हेल्प करेगा इन द मसल सेल्स. क्लियर? So these are the differences between the rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Clear? Now see what are the various functions of endoplasmic reticulum in general. Endoplasmic reticulum provide stability, rigidity and mechanical support to the cell. Endoplasmic reticulum cell को stability provide करने का काम करता है, rigidity provide करने का काम करता है and mechanical support provide करता है. That's why it is the cytoskeleton or endoskeleton. इसीलिए हम endoplasmic reticulum को as a cytoskeleton or endoskeleton consider करते हैं, क्योंकि ये सेल को मैकेनिकल सपोर्ट प्रोवाइड कर रहा है, स्टेबिलिटी प्रोवाइड कर रहा है, रिजिडिटी प्रोवाइड कर रहा है. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट, रफ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम having the ribosomes, so they mainly involve in the protein synthesis. Clear? So rough endoplasmic reticulum mainly involved in protein synthesis, protein formation. Next function, smooth endoplasmic reticulum in liver cells convert the certain exogenous and endogenous substance into non-poisonous substance. That means perform the function of detoxification. Clear? So smooth endoplasmic reticulum in liver cells perform the function of detoxification of certain exogenous and endogenous substance. Clear? Next function, smooth endoplasmic reticulum convert the cholesterol into sex hormone in the testis and ovaries. Testis और ovary के अंदर जो smooth endoplasmic reticulum है, वो कोलेस्ट्रॉल को सेक्स हार्मोन में कन्वर्ट करता है, जैसे कि एस्ट्रोजन एंड टेस्टोस्टेरोन. क्लियर? Testis and ovary, that is the male and female gonad. Inside there is the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and that smooth endoplasmic reticulum convert the cholesterol into sex hormone like the estrogen and testosterone. Clear? Next function we see in our skin cells, endoplasmic reticulum convert the cholesterol into vitamin D by absorbing the solar radiation, solar light. इंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम हमारे स्किन सेल्स के अंदर कोलेस्ट्रॉल को विटामिन डी में कन्वर्ट कर देता है बाय एब्जॉर्बिंग द सोलर रेडिएशन. क्लियर. नेक्स्ट फंक्शन इंट्रासेलुलर ट्रांसपोर्टेशन. दैट मीन इट इज कंसीडर्ड एज द हाईवे इन द सेल. सी सेल के अंदर मटेरियल के ट्रांसपोर्टेशन में इंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम हेल्प करता है. क्लियर. फ्रॉम न्यूक्लियस टू द अदर पार्ट ऑफ द cytoplasm or any cell organelle like the lysosome or Golgi body or cell membrane. So they act as the intra-transportation. Clear? So they considered as the highway in the cell. Clear? Next we see smooth endoplasmic reticulum enzyme. Clear? They perform the function of glycogenolysis. Glycogenolysis means conversion of glycogen into the ग्लूकोज. क्लियर. स्मूथ इंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम के जो एंजाइम्स होते हैं वो ग्लाइकोजन को ग्लूकोज में कन्वर्ट कर देते हैं बाय द प्रोसेस ऑफ ग्लाइकोजिनोलिसिस. क्लियर. सो ग्लाइकोजिनोलिसिस इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ कन्वर्जन ऑफ ग्लाइकोजन इनटू ग्लूकोज बाय द एंजाइम्स ऑफ स्मूथ इंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम. नेक्स्ट वी सी helps in primary lysosomes formation. Endoplasmic reticulum helps in primary lysosomes formation, nuclear membrane formation or cell membrane formation, cell plate formation and cell membrane formation. Clear? So endoplasmic reticulum involved in primary lysosomes which contain the hydrolytic enzyme, digestive enzymes, nuclear membrane formation, cell plate formation during the cell division and cell membrane formation. Clear? Next, smooth endoplasmic reticulum also involved in synthesis of glycolipid, phospholipid and cholesterol. कोलेस्ट्रॉल के फॉर्मेशन में, फॉस्फोलिपिड के फॉर्मेशन में, ग्लाइकोलिपिड के फॉर्मेशन में स्मूथ इंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम पार्टिसिपेट करता है. क्लियर. नेक्स्ट, इंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम receive the stimulus and response according to them. So endoplasmic reticulum act as the nervous system of the cell, as mean it act as the sensory organelle of the cell. Clear. So it receive the stimulus and response according to them. That mean act as the nervous system of the cell. That mean sensory organelle. It is the sensory organelle of the cell, as it receive the stimulus and response according to them. That's why it is considered as the nervous system or sensory organelle. Next we see here endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum loses the ribosomes and convert into smooth endoplasmic reticulum. And smooth endoplasmic reticulum involved in the formation of Golgi body, and Golgi body involved in the formation of primary lysosomes, that is filled up with the hydrolytic enzyme, digestive enzyme. And that primary lysosomes involve in the function of exocytosis. That means removal of waste matter from the cell. That is the exocytosis process. So these components, rough endoplasmic reticulum, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi body, primary lysosome, these involve and form the endomembranous system, endomembrane system, and that is known as the GERL system. GERL means Golgi body endoplasmic reticulum lysosome system. Later we will discuss detail in GERL system. Clear? See the next function. Endoplasmic reticulum के मेम्ब्रेन के ऊपर मोर देन 30 एंजाइम्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं. क्लियर. और ये एंजाइम्स इन्वॉल्व होते हैं बायोसिंथेसिस, मींस डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ synthesis of different types of material, different type of structures inside the cytoplasm of the cell. Clear? So endoplasmic reticulum involved in the biosynthesis process. Okay. So I request to all of you, please subscribe my channel and like, share and comment the videos.